Do a gainer. Freaking phenomenal out here.
Beaver Falls. It's an awesome day hike if you're visiting Havasupai. It's 7 miles round trip. It's a perfect half-day trip. You got to get down Mooney Falls though first, so I'll include the link to that video right here. If you like this video, do me a favor and like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I have some cool things coming up for 2020. So enjoy the video, and I'll see ya.
All right, so just to kind of recap, we started about 200 feet up. About here, we come down, come through 2 different caves, and then down all this mess right here, down to the ladders. Check out the ridiculous view. It's absolutely beautiful.
Okay, so after Mooney Falls, you're going to see paths going about 3 or 4 different directions. They all go relatively the same way. One goes kind of up and over, or one goes down through the water. They all go the same way, so just keep on going down the trail, and you'll end up where you need to go.
I don't even know exactly where we need to go. We just got to go downstream.
Yeah, I think you just take the path to go east.
Waterfall after waterfall through here. So we got to cross over.
The Sabine.
Yeah. A pretty cool little trail.
Okay, this sign directs you back across the creek. You're not there yet. Keep going.
This is where our water crossing is. Woo! Woo! We are almost to Beaver Falls. We'll give you an update, see what we're gonna do, see where we go. So this is the top end of Beaver Falls. We're still up high. Trail.
I think if it's, I'd want to be down there swimming in it first though, to see how deep it is.
Man, I ain't gonna be jumping off that. That's Cody about right there. Let's build my courage up. I'm gonna get up there. Kind of steep. It's bigger than it looks. Holy moly. It's up here. Rugged him at home came in handy for this. Woo! That was good. Backflip, do a gainer. It feels freaking phenomenal out here. So we're coming back from Beaver Falls, about to head up to Mooney. Yeah, this feels so good. Beaver Falls, good stuff.
Beaver Falls, good stuff.
So we've almost made it back to Mooney Falls. Got the biggest part of the hike done. So we found another trail to make it back to Mooney. Man, this is awesome. Yeah, this is pretty much amazing.
So if you'd like to see more of Mooney Falls and the entire climb up, click this link right here.
We're finished up here at Mooney, about to make our way back on up. We got a heck of a climb to get back out of here, so it'll be interesting.